Hello and welcome. Welcome to another Amazon video. And in this video, we're gonna see how we can get push notification for deals on Amazon. Amazon runs tons of deals time to time, and we can get products at a very affordable prices. If you want to get push notifications for deals on Amazon, this video is for you. Now, to get started, we have to have our Amazon shopping app installed in our phone and sign into it. Once you have done it, you will have an interface something like this after opening the Amazon shopping app. Now, at the bottom right corner, you can see a hamburger menu. Let's click on it. There we have settings. Let's select it. And here is settings for notifications. Let's choose notifications. Now, about notifications, we can get notifications about account and shipping, deals and recommendations, feedback. Currently, we are concerned with deals and recommendations, right? So let's select. So there is a further categorization of deals and recommendations. If you want to have updates on new programs, product launches and releases, this is the one you need to have toggled on. And for recommendations, this is for you. And savings. For deals, you are better off with toggling on all these options. Alright, once you've done it, you will receive notifications of latest deals and recommendations. If you found this video helpful, do leave this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.